The best GS yan, no? Ano saan? Sa ano? Shaolin Soccer, lamig? Sa Shaolin Soccer, bla?
Oo.
Sino tang laki?
Di ba? Si Pinchaw. O, si Pinchaw.
Ow! I repeat, this is Stephen Chow. Up close. Medyo shy siya, ha? Medyo shy siya. Up close. He is kili.
Black Paris. Black Paris, no?
Ayun. And that is, he's, how do you call that?
Called what?
Your neighbor.
The neighbor, mine?
Puti, tapos may scrapings yung chocolate, tapos yung black currant, tapos may strawberry.
Basta mo lang, Black Paris ang yung...
We're landing into the Black Forest.
So, do you have a problem?
We don't have a problem. Too close, too close.